Hi there, my name is Rod Coyne and I want to give you a quick heads up for my new calendar for 2022. Beautiful, isn't it? Got all those wonderful things you want in the calendar. It contains 12 glossy images of my favourite recent paintings. These paintings represent a journey from east to west with images from the Irish Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. So my 2022 calendar is available to purchase on our website, avocagallery.ie, and with our free shipping you can send a slice of contemporary Ireland to your family and friends who are missing the old sod, be they in New York, Sydney or even Timbuktu. So remember, art brightens your mood, your life and your environment. You'd be mad not to let art lighten your daily load. And that's the end of this Rodcast.